So child 1 is this, name is Jethalal. Okay, this is the good example, I think. Year 2004. So this is all about Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma examples. I know it is the favorite serial. Okay, it's my favorite serial. Okay, in my free time I like to watch that serial only. Then child. Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta. Welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, in this video I will tell you that what are dictionaries and what are the best examples of dictionary. Okay, so guys, first of all I want to tell you about the amazing example of dictionary. So guys, as you can see that if we want to make some contacts, okay, so we have to write again and again, like this number is that, this number of that. Okay, so for that thing in dictionary we will make the numbers in a easy format. For example, like in contact we are having A, this contact, C, this contact, O, this contact, right? So guys, these are the contacts. Okay, and if I want to add more contact in this, okay, so I can add it. Like if I want to add E in this, like, okay, I have A, I have C, I have O. Okay, and if I print the contact, you can see I have A, C, O, E, right? My E is also there because in this I have added E. Okay, so this is the very good example of dictionary. Then we talk about nested dictionaries. So guys, what are nested dictionaries? Okay, a dictionary can also contain many dictionaries. Okay, when there will be many dictionaries. Okay, like in this we made a one dictionary also only. Okay, there is a one dictionary only, but in this we are having many dictionaries. Okay, so that's why it is nested dictionary. For example, my family, child 1, name, year. Okay, so guys, one important thing is this, my dictionary is starting with this and ending here. Okay, so if you want to make 3 dictionaries, so you have to start your dictionary from this and end the dictionary also. Okay, so child 1 is this, name is Jethalal. Okay, this is the good example, I think. Year 2004. So this is all about Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma examples. I know it is the favorite serial. Okay, it's my favorite serial. Okay, in my free time I like to watch that serial only. Serial only. Then child 2, named Daya, year 2007. Then child 3, name is Champak Chacha, then year 2011. Okay, so guys, these are the interesting and popular names in TV serials. Okay, so guys, child 1 is this, child 2 is this, and first of all guys, we open a dictionary and we are closing it and we are using comma in this, right? So this comma is very important, just focus on this. Okay, then child 3, Champak Chacha, then print my family, child 2, name. So after this, if I want child 2, okay, so I am getting here Daya because my child 2 name is Daya. Okay guys, so if I want here like child 2 year, then I am getting 2007 because the child 2 year is 2007. If I am doing the same thing with child 1, then I am getting 2004. right? If I am doing the same thing with child 3, I am getting 2011 because child 3 year is 2011. Okay, so after this we can do it by one also. I told you in the grouping part. Okay, so after this, guys, from collection import order dictionary. So guys, if you want to make an order, so you have to use order dictionary. So for order dictionary you have to write from collections import order dictionary, right? Contact Jethalal, his contact number; Daya, her contact number; Champak Chacha, his contact number; then Tappu, contact number. And these contact number are not good, guys, now are not accurate. I just took the random numbers. Okay, then contact 1 equals to order dictionary sorted contact dot items. So why I am using this line? I have ordered dictionary. I know that if I want to make a order, so I have to use order dictionary, right? Then sorted contact dot items. So guys, for order dictionary I have to make some items. Okay, then only I will get the output, like order dictionary, then Champak Chacha, his contact number; Daya, her contact number; Jethalal, his contact number; Tappu, his contact number. So first of all, guys, the main thing in order dictionary is this: the counting starts with A to Z. Okay, you can say ascending order, like first C has come, then D, J and T. So this is going alphabetically. Okay, so this is the order dictionary. Then we have names like Jethalal, Babita, Ayer, Daya. These are the interesting names, I know that. Okay, then favorite food of Jethalal is pizza. Babita is biryani. Ayer's favorite food, milkshake. Not milkshake. I think Ayer's favorite food is idli, and Daya is burger. Let's say burger here. Okay, then I am using here kids favorite food equals to dictionary zip names favorite food. So guys, zip dictionary is also the main thing. We can make the dictionaries with using zip. Yeah, so guys, with the help of zip I am getting my output, like Jethalal pizza, Babita biryani, Ayer idli, Daya burger. So with the help of zip only I am getting like one by one, like Jethalal likes pizza, Babita likes biryani, Ayers likes idli, Daya likes burger. So guys, according to the names I am getting the favorite food of that person one by one. The counting starts with this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, so guys, this is very interesting and I hope you are getting this point, because this is very important, guys. Okay, if I want to delete Daya in this list, so how can I delete it? Okay, tell kids favorite food from Daya. So if I run this, I am not getting Daya in this. I am getting only Jethalal, Babita, Ayer. Daya is not in this. Okay, after this, if I want to check what is the type of my keys, so guys, dictionaries means keys and values. You know that name is my variable, then I am assigning operator, it means equals to, then I am giving some values after my equals to means assignment operator. So these three things are very important, guys, just read these all things. So My type of list of keys is a list. The type of values is a list. So if I am printing the kids favorite food, I am getting Jethalal like pizza, Babita likes biryani, and Ayyar likes idli, right? So guys, these are the major things in dictionary. I hope you like this, guys. Okay, so guys, if you want like these type of videos, then please tell me in comments, guys. I want to know that which type of videos you guys want, then I will make that video only. Okay, just tell me in comments. Okay, please guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please follow me on Instagram, guys. I have 2 Instagram accounts, and both Instagram accounts link is in description. Okay, so please guys, go and follow it. Please subscribe my channel also. And I want to say that, guys, thank you so much for your supporting. Okay, please support me, guys. I want your support. I know you are supporting me, but I want more support from you guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you all are doing well. So thank you so much. Bye bye.